Hi guys, this is Awesome10x live for your global market update. It is October 23, 2020. It is a Friday, and as you know, every Friday we give a free Friday class pick. I hope that you join us later, 5:30 p.m. Philippine time for another session of free Friday classes with Nikki U. Now, let's begin. Actually, we are so happy that every pick that we like actually went up. So, Ericsson, you know that the earnings came out just a couple of days ago and it gapped up from 11 to 12.44. Yours truly had chosen Ericsson and Nokia as one of the 5G winners, and the market also liked it. And yeah, so we are just holding on to our winners. Ericsson, we believe, is benefiting not just from the fact that all of the countries are quite aware of the risks of investing not the risk. A lot of companies, a lot of countries are aware that they have to be 5G ready, and Ericsson is the leader when it comes to that. Actually, it's actually a triopoly. Let me remind you that the 5G leaders are Ericsson, Nokia, and Huawei. Yes, you're Huawei. Yes. So we chose Ericsson, but we also said that yeah, Nokia was also gonna benefit, and so yeah, we also have a stake in Nokia. Nokia, we bought this at about $4. So far, it's 4.27. Doing well. We think that this will consolidate and break out to as high as $7 to $8. Um, the Awesome 10x analysis is rooted on fundamentals and secular trends. You may want to actually subscribe to how Awesome 10x chooses our winners, because we are truly thinking about 10x trends, secular trends. This is an IPO, the Array Technologies. I haven't invested. I do know that this solar company is a great solar winner. So far, 30 to 44. It's already up 50% ever since IPO. It's actually up 100%. It was a Howard Marks Oak Tree Capital private equity investment that listed this year, especially since all the solar companies are so hot. And so I do believe that this sun run at 57 is giving us a great entry opportunity. So indeed, I am a buyer of this sun run. I also said Unity, this one confirmed our love. Initially, we were thinking actually is 100 a resistance. Yesterday, Unity confirmed to us that 100 was not a resistance. In fact, 100 was going to be broken easily like pancake and is going to go all-time highs. For those who aren't aware, Unity wins in many fronts. Unity wins when Among Us makes a lot of great mobile gamers. You know, AOC, Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez, Twitch, used the Twitch streaming to actually, I shared it. She used the Among Us to tell people to vote. It actually made more people just more confident that Among Us stream. I love her. This woman knows no bounds. This is actually Alexandra Ocasio Cortez. She was convincing the millennials to vote rightly, and she played Among Us like all of the millennials do, and the Gen Z. So yeah, it's a good thing, and more winners. Unity wins when people play mobile games. Unity saw 53% of all mobile games, especially guys, League of Legends Wild Rift. League of Legends Wild Rift is made with Unity engine. So there's a lot of reasons to buy. I also wanted to share you that I am a believer of Plant Meat. We bought Tattooed Chef at about 14, 16. This is also another great buy at 18 to 19. I do think the trend is your friend. Even if Tattooed Chef goes down to 16, I would be a buyer even as low as 14. So Tattooed Chef is a great entry point. You know that we said that Grow Generation was a buy at 17.50. The market loved us back. The market requited our love, reciprocated that love, and actually Grow Generation is closing at 21.85. We bought at 17.50 on the day that they announced that hydroponic depot. And so far, so good. I think that we can hit 28, 20, 30. Yeah, so 28 to $30 for growth generation. We are keeping this. So far, a lot of winners. And I'm going to share to you some things on our Facebook channel. Sorry, Faceless Trader, my Twitter profile. So yeah, Unity. So I'm gonna hold on that. Esports pros, professionals on esports are averaging about all the US salary in just 6 days. That tells you that the top esports professionals are raking the money in. And actually, esports is a trend that we believe is gonna be stronger and stronger. And that is how we positioned our portfolios. You could see that we have our picks, no? So our 1337, Razer makes money on these esports trends. How? Because they do peripherals by making sure that the gamers have the latest best GPUs. Well, Nvidia does the best GPUs. But in case they want a great Razer laptop, a Razer headset, a Razer mouse pad, better controls. So that is like what the most professionals and the amateurs are also using. So we do think that the cloud play of Razer with Tencent partnership is great. So yeah, right now we're just holding on. We're just really how we win, guys, is not really about thinking about what's gonna happen tomorrow. How we win really is what's gonna happen in the next 10 years. And that helps us focus on what we should be with and buy and hold on the winners. For instance, I'll tell you what, Logitech was winning. We knew that this was a winner ever since. We knew that Logitech was a winner. The great move of 80 to 90, that is the profit taking, but that will just continue to win. Of course, if you are entering high, it's more of why didn't you know it 2 months ago, 3 months ago, or 7 months ago? But even either way, you know what? Let's say Logitech gives you an entry at 70 or 80. It's up to you whether you want to enter. Anyway, there's so many great company trends. As you see, Sunrun, Unity, so many winners, to be honest, guys. I'll show you what I've been sharing as well for free. We were saying that, yeah, PayPal was adding Bitcoin in their Venmo apps. And PayPal is 210 today. Yeah, so we made a buy on that at about we made a buy on that at about 185, even if last year was 95 that we were buying that. I'm gonna show to you a few things on my watch lists. Teka lang, guys. So I'll show you everything in my watch lists. Nikki watch. GameStop, hold lang. So we like this since 4.7. $4. Michael Burry is making 500% already on GameStop. We started making a buy here after Michael Burry was buying at about 330. So $4.70, $6, $7. We stop at 770. Some of us bought more at about 10, 11. Pero yeah, just holding on. For those who have it, just hold on. But I think at about 15 to 16, you can also trim some and then wait for the rest. The rest is just souvenir buys, souvenirs. Your souvenirs for your 500% move. Your old Disney is there, so we just hold. Alphabet at 1620. I think that there is a resistance at 1650, but eventually Google will just keep on climbing up to 3,000 if you wait it at 5 years time. In the next 1 month, yeah, you have some resistance at 1650 to 1750. Roku 240, you've got resistance. Yeah, so Microsoft 240, but eventually they'll go higher and higher, 100% higher. Huya and Douyu, I like Douyu here at about 1474. I like that move. I think that Douyu here at about 1474 is a great entry point. So if you don't have Douyu, the answer here is still a buy. So yes, we've made a pitch to buy at 8. And yes, we still believe that this buying opportunity at 14.15 is a great entry point. So this is still a buy for us. Huya is a Huya, though you are merging, they are the Twitch platform in China. It is an esports category winner. So yeah, that is just a hold for us. That is just a buy and hold for us. To watch, I'll show you some more. Gold, Gao, yeah, Galliano Gold. Yeah, it's a cyclical play. You've seen how XAU USD has been rising, 117 to 19. So there are some gold related plays that will benefit Gao. So this one gets a buy here at about 140, but there will be a resistance here at about 194. It's not the top pick, but it's okay. If you like a gold related play, consider Gao. So this one is also good moves. So yeah. Personally, there's so many great companies. I took a look. I have like 40 stocks in my portfolio, but I don't mind global. Anyway, it's all a lot. It's companies I love anyway, so it's okay. Um, Shopify, guys, will actually give us more opportunities to buy at about 950. So I think that Shopify here, so we know that Shopify had gone from 850. So we bought here at about 850, sold some at 1.1. Guys, I think that when Shopify goes down here at about 950, you want to buy because the next move is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Even if it goes from 950 to 790, you want to buy. Actually, it never fell 790. So you start buying at 950 if you can for Shopify. Datadog, I like to buy this if you can get in at about $90. So 99 to 90, get in. Also, what is it? Fastly here at about 75 to 79, all the way to 62. You want to enter that. So yeah, I like that. I think that you have to get some winners in your portfolio. I'm gonna take a look some more. Serens is Serens we have it since 36, 38. We trimmed some at 58, I'll be honest. We bought some more at 50, we sold at 58. But yeah, we kept our souvenirs, so that is gonna give us a 100 to 200% move for Serens. Zoom, yeah, we still have our souvenirs, kept our souvenirs. Limelight, we sold it all 650. So good move because 20% down after the earnings call. I haven't read what the earnings was, but given that the world wanted edge networks like Fastly only and Cloudflare, I kicked out my Limelight and Akamai. I didn't make a lot of money. Limelight, I got in at about 575. I had a high cost, so my average was 630. I sold it all at 650 when I had the chance. Good move because now it's $5. So yeah, I do make some mistakes, but we make sure that we are diversified so that when we sell them, we get out. When we know we're wrong, we get out. Akamai, I made some 15% gain, bought at 100, sold at 110, 108. Yeah, it's now 100. It's now 115, I think. I don't know. How much is Akamai? But I think that these legacy players are weak. So yeah, buy here. I sold there. I didn't enter anymore. Even if I know 104 at 116, you can sell. But yeah, we sold this. For the edge, we just get, for edge networks, most of us just entered what the market liked as well, which was Fastly. And we bought some net. Some of us bought Cloudflare here at about 34, 38. Some entered the size 44. We sold at about 58. If it goes back down at 44, then we'll get back in. So yeah, some hyper edge. Yeah, so the edge, right? So let's see e-commerce. E-commerce, we still have Pintuotuo, we have JD, we have Shopify, we have C Limited. Fast food, I just take a look at it, but I don't really invest much in it. Some of us have Shake Shack. We like Shake Shack when it was at about $40, $30. Now it's trading at $70. Snowflake, Snowflake, I like it, but at 120, 140 IPO, that was the price I wanted. But in the market, it was already 240. So we didn't have Snowflake. That's okay. At least we have Unity. Pinterest, I sold my Pinterest early, but for those who have Pinterest, hold on to your winners. So it's okay. Magnite is doing well. I sold some Magnite at $8. It's now $9.60. I kept a few of my Magnite, aka Talaria, aka Rubicon. I think that the higher low for this will be $7.50 to $8 next entry point. So it's okay. Anyway, we have so much winners, so we don't really need to have everything, no? With video games, yes, I'm a nerd for video games. I love Unity. Congrats there. Snapchat, Snapchat, we were already thinking that it was gonna do well because of with the advertising. Pero wala eh. Sold na at 25 thinking that was the top. And then, yeah, after earnings, call kaboom. Because, if you were early, you've been entering as early as 13, 14 before. So, yeah, so this one was a strong crawl up. Wala, with Snapchat and Twitter, I'll be honest, I sold early here eh. I know that the advertising was strong, bought it at about 36, 37, 34, now it's at $50, sold early. Honestly, I sold Twitter early at about 40, 44. I thought that was the top. Darating na ba? Check ko lang. Wait ka. Wala pa ba? 12 minutes. Baka may malito. Yeah, but it will come. Yeah. So, one of the things that I've learned in US is always just hold on to your winners. So yeah. So here, what do I have? Okay. These drops on Bluebird, I'm taking a look because, I sold some Bluebird at 180. That is a Polish name. And I'm taking a look at whether I should enter it. Well, not yet. I'll wait for it to show me where the support is. But this is in Poland. Bluebird team. So this went from 40 to 220. So I felt that 180, sige, get out. I'm gonna enter this when it gives me an entry point. This is the horror genre, great company, Layers of Fear, Medium. So I'm gonna take a look whether I can get in at 136 or 113. So I do think this is a buy area for me. If you're gonna ask me, I'm gonna make a buy here. I'm gonna return to my Warsaw Poland pick. I like also Creepy Jar. Creepy Jar hasn't fallen. No? This was more stronger. 200 to 1314. I will wait for this to give me an entry below 1,000. If I can enter this 800, I will. So I gave, some of us sold already at 1.1. We took it, I exited. I will enter this company back at 900 to 765 if I can. I do think that Microsoft will someday buy all these little studios. Microsoft bought Bethesda. Microsoft eventually will buy Ubisoft, in my view. So this one, if this gives an entry at 70, it's gonna be in my entry area. Tobii, I like this. If this one gives me an entry, this is a Sweden eye tracking company. If this one gives me an entry here at 52, I will. It's a 55 SEK right now, Swedish kroner. I'll buy this at 52. If I can, yeah. So I like these companies. 11-bit studios. I sold this at 520. I was able to get out. Playway, I exited early actually. So these are some Polish picks that I have been buying and selling. Yes. I've been buying and selling some games in the other countries. Yeah. I have my portfolio is really huge. My portfolio is huge. I have a lot of other companies. Yeah. Value plays, I don't have value plays. These are my sympathy love names. I don't have it. I just watch it. Nordstrom is a company that I think will not be bankrupt, but yeah, it's just a sympathy play. It's just like how you interpret companies that will not be bankrupt but will not also be winners. So this was a buy and sell move. I bought this at about, siguro here, 15, then sold it at 18. Now here at about 13.57, if you want to buy, you can also buy here and then sell it here again you sell it here at about 15 to 16. There will be resistances here. This is a sympathy move. It's like when you're just pitiful for some company because there are zeros, it's not really a winner. So I'm not, that's not I call them sympathy because naaawa lang ako dyan. I'm like condolence to them. Condolence, kawawa kayo. With weed names, I'm happy to have Grow Generation. I don't have Canopy Growth. I have Green Thumb. True Leaf, I also have. True Leaf is doing well. True Leaf, this one is in Canada. So just continuous, true leave, relief you can rely on, medical cannabis name that does, of course, if Joe Biden wins, I do believe that Trulieve will do better. Kamala Harris supports legalizing medical marijuana. It's helpful for all the patients in the world. Trulieve and what's this? GTII, Green Thumb. It's good, no? Look, new highs. Well, it's gonna go higher, so I just keep it. Grow Generation, Green Thumb, Cura Leaf. Yan. This one I have. Yeah. I don't have the I sold na my Tilray and Aurora cannabis. I don't want a downtrend company even if it's in weed. Even if it can go up, I think wag na. Sayang oras ko dyan. There's so many winners, sayang oras ko dyan. It's going up, no? So Tilray is going up. It can go $8, pero I think okay lang, profit take and move to another better company. Let me take a look at your questions if you have any comments. Hi, Nikki. How do I subscribe to Awesome10x? Yeah, thank you for thinking of subscribing. You just go to awesome10x.com where you can see something like this. Inside awesome10x.com, we help individuals, Filipinos, non-Filipinos, you're American, as long as you understand English, sign up for Awesome10x Inner Circle. Within the group, you'll see these courses inside. You'll see companies I like. It kind of works like a Netflix. I want you to watch my classes. So you've got Global Investing Core Training. You can see that we have a daily Zoom class for you. So I teach you Awesome10x systems, and then we actually highlighted, look, Danimer Scientific, saving the world from plastic, category, plant-based plastics, climate change, sustainable planet, environmental health crisis. Huya, the Twitch of China. Toby, the world leader in eye tracking. Ericsson, digital infrastructure, enablers of the future of packaging. Bloom Energy, go off the grid for good. Alterix, all of that, we actually have a lot of companies. And I will teach you, not just teach you, but I will assist you. So inside our Slack group, you'll get summaries wherein even if you're just new, I'll tell you, okay, you can add Unity 100, add Sunrun $57, what do you sell, etc., etc. You'll see it all. What companies can you still buy? Fastly 75, Clean Spark 8.8, all those stuff. All of that, you can actually hear and listen to me. Is Palantir, is your course in English? Yes, because my course is in English because I'm proud to say we have foreign clients who will not understand Filipino if I talk in Filipino. I am Filipino Chinese, but I do my classes in English. Or sometimes I speak a little Filipino, but they will understand my context clue. Your course is in English. Is your site in different currency? I accept Philippine pesos and dollars. At what time are the classes? Because these are 2 a.m. in USA. Thanks, Eric. You can watch our classes anytime you want because I do it 5:30 p.m. Philippine time, just in time before the U.S. market opens. So in the Philippines, the U.S. market opens 9:30 p.m. It's 9:30 a.m. New York. So it's 4 hours before. So let's say you wake up and then you watch the class before the market opens. It's okay. You will still be able to catch up. And our summaries, it's all available, and you can always watch at any time you want. Actually, most of our students watch our classes whenever they go exercise. So it's like a 1 hour daily habit for them. They listen to me on Zoom and then they exercise. It's already a practice. So yeah, it's good. Actually, this 1 to 2 p.m. market update, I know that the class, this one is just 7 hours before the market opens later. So you can press it, you can watch anytime you want before the market opens. So we always are ahead of the market. Is Palantir a buy and breakout? Yes, we like Palantir. Palantir, we bought at 9:10. Yeah, we bought Palantir. This is a company that we like. We even featured Palantir as a free Friday class pick. So yeah, PLTR made a move up. Palantir had the news that they were gonna use their data analytics to help address the COVID healthcare crisis, and that's a good use case of data analytics that Palantir can use the Gotham and Foundry to help find a research cure. So yeah, I think Palantir should be a part of an Awesome10x portfolio. Genshin Impact game was also a hit. I am surprised that it was also built by Unity Engine. I love Unity because of this. Thank you, guys. I know it's funny, but Unity is really a 10x company that we should love and buy more of. So even at $100, even when we already have a buy at 67, 77, 84, you can actually read our coverage and watch our coverage inside Awesome10x of Unity. We really published a buy report on Unity. Yeah. What is your view on Corsair and Tapestry? Corsair Gaming, I told people that I'm not too excited about the Corsair IPO, which it did. It went up, but I like Logitech, I like Turtle Beach, and I like Razer better. So because we already have those peripherals, we didn't add more on Corsair. We didn't put it in our Awesome 10x pick. But we know that Corsair should do well, just like Herman Miller is doing well with the Logitech move, diba? So yeah, I mean, it's in the same secular trend, but I don't think it is the best if you're looking at game peripheral play. Tapestry, I believe, is not the best play. Honestly speaking, yes, Tapestry will win in a reopening play because Tapestry will have better sales for their Kate Spade and so forth. It's very strong now, no? But between Tapestry and Capri Holdings, my interpretation here is they're both how do I say this? They're just value picks. So we actually said Capri Holdings at about 13 can go 26. It's even at 15 we were publishing buys. Now it's at 23. Nonetheless, I'm not bearish with this Tapestry. I just think that if you're buying at 28, 21, it's a bit late. We were pushing buys mostly here, $13, $14, $15. I don't think that is the best pick, because I like Awesome 10x picks. Tapestry is not a 10x pick. It's just a sympathy love. Like condolence, I give you some $1 so that you'll go up, something like that. It's not a 10x pick. Is Copen still a buy? Copen, I have it. I have it at 125, 130. It's still at 135. I just hold, but at 160, 180, I will put a sell on it. How much is a good buy for Unity? If you don't have Unity, you might as well buy at 100 because you might never get the chance to buy this below triple digits. Of course, that assumes that you believe in many factors. Yes, you have to believe in mobile gaming. Yes, you have to believe in the fact that Unity is a software that's being used for 3D digital imaging. It's actually a replacement for Autodesk. Unity is helping a lot of architects. You know what? I will give you an advanced information. Next year is Roblox IPO. That's also gonna do very well. So with Unity, I'm a bit biased. I'm biased. I already have it, but at 100 below, you want to buy more. Is Sunrun a good buy? I already answered yes. I think Sunrun at 57 is a buy. How much is a good buy for C Limited, Square, and Zscaler? C Limited, I'll only buy it below 150. If it's not gonna give me $150 below, I wouldn't buy it. Square, I wouldn't put a sell, but I also think 180 is too expensive. So maybe at 140 below. You might not be able to buy Square at current levels. Zscaler, I didn't study much. I know Zscaler is a good move at 85. How much is Zscaler today? Is Zscaler already $100? For cybersecurity, oh my, it's already 140. Yeah, I was looking at it at $80. Yeah, at 140, I wouldn't buy Zscaler. But if you have it, then hold on to it. But yeah, at 100, I'll buy. 100 below. Maybe it will never happen. How much is a good buy for Zoom? Zoom, I bought at the highest price I entered for Zoom was 360. But I don't think Zoom will ever go down there. Maybe at 470. It might never go down. Apple, I'm only willing to buy 110 below, but not any price higher. NVIDIA, I'm only willing to buy $500 below, not any price higher. We bought NVIDIA at 500, maybe as high as 512 if you really want NVIDIA. Anyway, I think NVIDIA will do $700, $800. I'm okay with that. we take a look at NVIDIA. We shared NVIDIA as a free Friday class pick. We said that NVIDIA had a $1 trillion opportunity. So do check out our Awesome10x channel. We gave a free entry pick for NVIDIA. How much is your ideal allocation in each stock? Actually, last Friday, I told people how to construct a portfolio for beginners. We construct portfolios. We allocate 3% of our entire portfolio or even 5% of our entire portfolio in one name. So example, if the portfolio is $10,000, we allocate $300 to $500 on that name. So next year, if we have another $10,000, we allocate another $300 to $500. So usually that's how we do it. Do you think Very Good Food is a winner? Yes. You know what? Very Good Food is a Canadian Beyond Meat. We said to buy it at $1 CAD. It's now $2.50. So I was telling people that, I've never lost money investing in plant meat trends, made money in Beyond Meat, made money in Tattooed Chef. So I don't know why I can't buy Very Good Food in Interactive Brokers. So I couldn't buy it even if I know it was a buy. But for the Canadians out here watching, you should remember that I did say, I said I was going to buy a Very Good Food at $1. It's not $2.50, so it's 150% higher. I think that if you don't have a plant meat play, Tattooed Chef is a good entry point here at 19 TTCF. I also think that if you have the chance to buy Oatly IPO next year, get in. Oatly is going to be a great move. What do you think of Ventas? Sorry, I didn't study Ventas. What's the ticker symbol of Ventas? And what does Ventas do? Ventas. What is this? What is this company? Healthcare, VTR. It's a real estate trust managing healthcare facilities in the US, Canada, and UK. It's got $3.8 billion, 1999. Okay, so it's a REIT. It's a REIT. I haven't studied. Sorry, I don't know much. So my answer is I don't know. Miss Nikki, would you recommend buying Snapchat at this price? No. I know that it's doing well. Pinterest and Snapchat is doing well. But there's a lot of 100% winners. I'm biased. I would say that for digital advertising, Facebook I have Facebook. Sorry. I own Facebook. I own Google. For digital advertising, we have Roku. The trade desk is too high for you to enter. But, for digital advertising, Magnite, right? MGNI, we like it. So, I don't think that Snapchat at these levels is a good buy. No. It's good for the people who have it, but if you're going to enter now, I think that you might be late. What do you think of Etsy? Etsy was a recommendation since $70, so no. Is 10x Awesome a research team or Nikki, you alone? It's just me alone. I am the only one. I am the only researcher, but I do an excellent job at it. I spend 8 to 12 hours every single day giving you awesome 10x picks. And if you check my awesome 10x recommendations, I've done very well. 100, 200, 300, 500%. We actually pitched Livongo as early as $25. It's now 125. So we have a good record. I'd like to talk about we, but yeah, it's me. I. Of course, I get some help. Sometimes members give me their ideas and I fact check their ideas. I do fact checking. So sometimes you yourself, you gave me an idea. Actually, it was an awesome 10x listener who told me to study ChargePoint, aka SVE, Switchback. And because of that idea, yes, I invested in Switchback at 12. ChargePoint became an awesome 10x pick, SVE. We bought that here. 10, I wasn't able to buy at 10, no? But 11, 12, 14, yeah, we have this. So now it's at 16, still have it. Yeah, still have it. So any thoughts on telemedicine? For telemedicine like Teladoc, it has already gone 20x. So at $200, I don't think that it is cheap. I would suggest that you focus on the new IPOs like Amwell. So Amwell is a teledoc competition, and I think this is the second largest in America. I would buy Amwell here at about 26 if I can. It doesn't drop yet, but I'll wait for that. Teledoc, you are late, but it doesn't mean that you cannot. You just wait. Like 214 is high. See, I put arrows by to sell. I'll wait for it to go down. If it doesn't go down, I don't mind. Actually, sometimes I don't mind not owning that name. How much would Converge price be for it to be a good buy this coming Monday, October 26th? October 26th, Converge is a broadband related play. I believe that broadband connectivity is gonna do well abroad. My move in the 5G is owning Qualcomm, Nvidia, Ericsson, Nokia. I went global for my 5G move. Nonetheless, for the Philippines, I think that, actually we also pitched Skyworks, Corvo, Encico. Yeah, we have a lot of 5G picks abroad. It's something that was covered inside Awesome10x team. Team meaning me, sorry. But I think Converge, if it goes 16.8 up, I don't know what's gonna happen on the IPO day. I always say that, guys, I don't know what's gonna happen on the IPO. But if you look at it 5 years from now, I think that this Converge will be a potential index entry. It can also be a potential competition that can give PLDT and Globe a competition move. So I don't know what's gonna happen in the future, but I think that you just watch how the market analyzes it. I don't know what, but hopefully it's going up. So far I think that I think it's good for the Filipinos, but I don't really know what's gonna happen on IPO. There. So thank you very much for watching Awesome10x. See you later. Please smash the like button. Also subscribe to not miss out on any notifications of Awesome10x. Do follow me here on my Twitter page. My Twitter is Awesome10x. My Twitter is Faces Trader. You could see that here I share a lot of ideas. Yes, I'm buying. I have Copen. So yeah, I like Copen. Realware is a function of that. Ericsson was part of our picks. We made some money there and we still hold. We never sell our winners. That is one thing that you will learn from us. Winners win. Unity, even if we're up 40, 50%, continue to hold. Zoom, 80 to 520, 400% up, continue to hold. So you win by holding, not by selling. So that's it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.